Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget investing, a crucial topic for anyone looking to grow their wealth without breaking the bank. The purpose of this video is to empower you with practical strategies that make investing accessible, even if you're starting with minimal funds. Many beginners feel overwhelmed by the idea of investing, thinking they need a hefty sum to get started. But the truth is, every little bit counts. Let me share a quick story. When I first began my financial journey, I only had a small amount saved up. I was nervous, but I took the plunge and started investing. Over time, those small contributions added up, and I learned valuable lessons along the way. By the end of this video, you'll feel inspired and equipped to embark on your own budget investing journey, no matter how small your starting point may be. Let's get started. Understanding budget investing. Budget investing is all about making smart financial choices with limited resources. Unlike traditional investing, which often requires significant capital up front, budget investing allows you to start with whatever you can afford. This approach is particularly relevant for beginners who may feel intimidated by the stock market or think they need a lot of money to get started. One of the key benefits of budget investing is its accessibility. You don't need to be wealthy to begin building your portfolio. Additionally, investing on a budget can help reduce risk, as you're more likely to make smaller, calculated investments rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. It's essential to shift your mindset and view investing as an achievable goal, regardless of your financial situation. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, and with budget investing, you can take that first step toward financial independence. Let's explore how you can make the most of your budget. Setting your financial goals. Establishing clear financial goals is a crucial step in your budget investing journey. Start by identifying both short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, while long-term goals could involve saving for retirement or purchasing a home. To make your goals effective, consider using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," you could set a goal like, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car within the next 2 years." Realistic financial goals for budget investors could include saving $100 a month to build an investment fund or aiming to pay off a small debt within 6 months. By setting clear and attainable goals, you'll create a roadmap that guides your investing decisions and keeps you motivated along the way. Let's dive deeper into how to achieve these goals. Choosing the right investment platforms. When it comes to budget investing, selecting the right investment platform can make all the difference. Popular apps like Robinhood and Acorns have gained traction among beginners for their user-friendly interfaces and accessibility. Robinhood allows you to trade stocks without paying commissions, making it ideal for those starting with limited funds. On the other hand, Acorns helps you invest spare change automatically, which is a great way to build your portfolio without feeling the pinch. One crucial factor to consider is the fee structure. Low fees can significantly impact your returns over time, so look for platforms that minimize costs. Additionally, a user-friendly interface can make your investing experience smoother and less intimidating. Take the time to research various platforms and choose one that aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. By selecting the right investment platform, you'll set yourself up for success on your budget investing journey. Let's explore how to make the most of these tools. Diversifying your investments. Diversification is a key investment strategy that involves spreading your money across various asset classes to mitigate risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you can protect your portfolio from significant losses if one investment underperforms. This approach is especially important for budget investors who may have limited funds to work with. Consider including a mix of asset classes in your portfolio, such as stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and bonds. For instance, you might allocate a portion of your budget to stocks for growth potential, while also investing in ETFs for broader market exposure and bonds for stability. Even with limited funds, you can create a balanced portfolio by investing small amounts in different areas. This strategy not only helps reduce risk, but also positions you for potential growth over time. Remember, diversification is not just for the wealthy, it's a smart move for anyone looking to build a solid financial future. Let's explore how to implement this strategy effectively. Staying informed and educated. Continuous learning is vital in the world of investing, especially for beginners. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Start by exploring resources like books, podcasts, and online courses dedicated to financial education. Titles like The Intelligent Investor and podcasts such as Invest Like the Best can provide valuable insights and strategies. Additionally, staying updated with financial news and trends is crucial. Following reputable financial news outlets can help you understand market movements and economic factors that may impact your investments. Another great way to enhance your knowledge is by joining investment communities, whether online or in person. These groups offer support, knowledge sharing, and networking opportunities with like-minded individuals. Engaging with others can provide different perspectives and help you stay motivated on your investing journey. Remember, the more informed you are, the more confident you'll feel in your investment choices. Let's explore how to leverage these resources effectively. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored essential strategies for budget investing that can set you on the path to financial success. We discussed the significance of establishing clear financial goals, choosing the right investment platforms, and diversifying your investments to mitigate risk. Additionally, we emphasized the importance of staying informed and continuously educating yourself about the financial landscape. Now that you have these tools at your disposal, remember that the most crucial step is to take action. Starting your investment journey, even with a small budget, can lead to significant growth over time. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from budget investing strategies. Together, we can build a community of informed investors ready to take charge of their financial futures. Thank you for watching and happy investing.